Hello everyone, welcome to AirTester channel. Today's topic is Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to make route in Google Maps. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go open Google Maps. Then tap here. Choose start location and choose destination. Choose on the map, choose on map. Then choose destination. Tap here. Good. Choose transport mode. Good. You can add the stops. Choose map. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Wish you best. Bye bye.